In today's video, we're going to be talking about the return on investment for real estate investors in hiring a personal assistant or an executive assistant. I'm going to go over 20 tasks that an executive assistant can do for you as an investor that will take your earning potential up dramatically, and I'll prove how it just makes sense to get it done. Stick around. Let's go! As a real estate investor myself and a full-time multifamily broker, at the end of each year, I always calculate my worth per hour. I take my full annual income and divide by the number of hours I worked. Whatever that number is, when I make decisions in the future, if those decisions require someone who can do it for cheaper than that hourly rate per hour that I'm earning, then I hire that person to do it so it can free up my time to do only the things that I can do the best. For instance, during your productive hours, if you make $75 an hour, should you be mowing your own lawn, or could you hire someone else to do it for $20 or $25 an hour? For a real estate investor, let's look at it this way. If you bought one property for $5 million, and that was the only property you bought, and you held it for 5 years, and you sold it for a $1 million profit. Now, we're in 2022. To have bought something for $5 million, held it for 5 years, and it only went up for $1 million profit is probably not likely. It probably went up more, but let's just use $1 million for an example. And let's say that's all you did as a full-time job, 40 hours a week, 52 weeks a year for 5 years, and you just did that one property. That comes out to almost $100 an hour. Now let's reverse engineer that. If you're making $100 an hour times 2,080 hours a year, which is 40 hours a week times 52 weeks, that's about a $210,000 a year salary. Could you find someone for less than $210,000 to do all the things you shouldn't be doing that are worth a lot less than $100 an hour, so that all you're doing is looking for more investments to buy? Do you think you could find someone for less than $210,000 a year? Probably so. Now, let's go over the top 20 things an executive assistant can do for you as a real estate investor so that all you're doing is the most important thing that only you know how to do best, which is finding assets to buy and negotiating and finding best debt and equity to buy these assets. Number one, they can find contact information for anyone you're trying to reach, including buyers, sellers, brokers, and finding out information about them before you call. Number two, they can do all of your scheduling, including when you go to conferences or to visit properties, what hotels to stay at, what meals to get that are closest to the hotel. Number three, they can track all of the sales of apartment complexes in various markets that you cover, including who bought them, who sold them, what they paid for it, and any other information they can find on the internet. Number four, and this is a big one, they can find and organize drivers for you when you go out of the market. They can set up drivers to come pick you up, take you to different spots so you can make phone calls and do computer work along the way, so you aren't losing 5, 6, 7 hours driving to and from markets. Number five, they can organize vendors for you when you're doing inspections on properties. Think about all the vendors you have to show up on prospective purchases. Or once you've bought the place, finding the best vendors to do various value-add components to the project. Number six, once you have a draft letter of intent template, your assistant can fill out the template based on a voice or a phone call to them, and they can draw up these letter of intents super quick while you're going about your business, so that all you have to do is review it quickly, sign it, and submit it on various deals. Number seven, keeping your bio package and your financials updated on a regular basis for buyers, sellers, brokers, lenders. Number eight, they can do all of your social media posting and tagging. Every time you're at a property and you're taking pictures, you can send it to this person, they can upload them. All of the contact messages they receive, all of the marketing you do through social media to attract investors and so that brokers see your activity. They can be doing all that. Number nine, they can create all the content that gets posted on these, including market reports and stats. Number 10, they can put together all the reports that go out to your investors quarterly or monthly or however you report. Number 11, when you're selling one of your properties, they can help organize the Dropbox for the listing broker and prospective buyers. And that's a ton of work getting all those files and documents uploaded and set up. Number 12, providing required documents both quarterly and annually to your existing lenders for existing properties you already own that they have loans on. Number 13, providing all of your financials and documents and reporting to your own CPA. There's a lot of interaction between you and the CPA for things they need in order to finish your taxes each year. Number 14, procuring gifts for the people in your business you want to thank. Staff, maintenance folks, leasing, property managers, brokers, buyers, sellers. There's so many folks that are part of this business. How cool would it be if you had the time through your assistant to find great ways to say thank you? Number 15, after you've written a handwritten thank you letter, the act of actually getting it mailed off, stuffing the envelope, writing out the envelope, the stamping, and actually taking to go get it mailed. That all takes time. Number 16, making sure that your email inbox is clean and only has in it what you need to tackle when you come in. So think about all the junk and the spam and the non-important emails you get on a regular basis that each take 2 or 3 little seconds, 10 little seconds of your life to take care of. This person, the executive assistant, can make your life way easier in that regard. Number 17, working with your IT guy to keep your website updated. Think of all the little things that go into keeping a website updated. There's back and forth regularly with an IT guy to have it just right. Those little things suck away time, and the assistant can do that. Number 18, finding and researching podcasters that you can be on so that you can spread your word about your company to attract more investors. Number 19, on prospective properties you're looking at, pulling demographic information, job information, market data, rents, sales, you name it. Think about for every property you're looking at that comes across your inbox, you get a phone call about from a broker, they can knock out some initial intel so that when you come in to look at it, you've got everything in front of you and you can move faster. And number 20, for the assets you own, this assistant can be the liaison between you and the property managers of the various properties to triage various calls and issues and problems and bring to you only the most important things that you need to make decisions on. Listen, the reality is there's way more than 20 that someone else can be doing for you so that your day is spent doing only the most important things in your business. I get it. It's a little scary to think about bringing on someone in a salaried position if you're a smaller company because they depend on you. You now have someone you have to pay a salary to every week no matter what your income level is. Here's the thing. If you're trying to find assets to buy and doing those 20 things at one time, you're the executive assistant. I promise you, hiring a well-qualified, well-interviewed, well-researched executive assistant will take your game to a whole nother level. You will ask yourself, how the hell did it take me this long to do this? I did this video because I know investors with tremendous talent and grit that can really get big in this business, but they're being bogged down by these 20 tasks and others. I hope this video brought you some value and pushed you over the edge a little bit to take a chance and really start supplementing your business. I promise it'll be worth it. If you like the video, give me a like down below, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're made aware of my videos each week. See you guys in the next one.